Well, I think the cats have been good so far today. Did some target training with both of them at the same time, and it seemed to work. Hey, look. Whoa! Oh, went all the way back. What are you doing over there, Onyx? Woo! Nope, not exciting enough. Oh, a little cooler out today, even though it's hot in the sun. Is the box making funny noises? Is that what you're doing? That tape's gonna fail. What are you doing? What are you up to? Oh, it's in the box. What are you doing in there? Hey, look, it's your favorite. It's the squeaky ball. It's all hairy. Boop. Oh, the lights went out. Nobody can see except for the cats. Uh-oh. Hi. I don't have any more treats. So disappointing. Where'd you go? All right, be good. What are you doing up there? Careful, Smokey. You like it up there? A good spot. Nice and high. Smokey can't get you up there, can he? Can you get Onyx all the way up there, mister? What are you doing? My finger's stinky? Smokey, why are you clawing my leg? Hi. My fingers aren't too stinky, huh? What's going on? You're not gonna purr? Not gonna purr? Oh. What are you doing? Yeah, it sinks down a little. It's like a little hammock. Oh, how cute. Oh, ow. You got sharp claws there. We need to trim those claws, I think. Oh. Hi. Oh, what are you doing? You want more? Oh, the big stretch. Hi. Question is how you get down from there. I know you've been up here before because I saw some hair, but I wasn't certain. All right, Smokey. Oh, hi. Onyx, what are you doing all the way up there? What are you up to? Smokey? You two being good? haven't checked on my 3D printer all day. Where you going? You're in my lab. Come on. Hey, let's go check the 3D printer. Whee! I don't know if I have enough hands. Uh-oh. What's that sound? Look. Wiggles. Oh, what a piece of crap. Well, that's awesome. Apparently decided it's going to print off the bed. Oh, the leveling thing fell off. That's cool. Nope, somebody got down. Whee! Alright, you two gotta be good while I clean up my 3D printer. Alright. Were you two watching, waiting for me to come back out? Did you get to listen to me make angry words with my 3D printer that's apparently broken now? Oh, it's so bright in here. Onyx, what are you doing? Hi. Got stinky fingers. Oh, look at you. Big belly. I haven't gotten anything useful done today. Gonna rub those cute little ears. Alrighty. I gotta get back to work. Wasted a whole hour fighting with that stupid 3D printer. You both are so silly rolling around. Oh yeah. Good kitty. Well, got the cat's room vacuumed and the cats are all medicated and fed. So hopefully we'll have a nice, good, quiet night. Nice and cool out tonight. I think it got down to... Oh, I got down to... Alright, watch. Come on. I don't know. I think it's been 60s. Nope, 71. Close enough. But, yep, hopefully we can keep behaving. Right? Good kitty. I will see you guys tomorrow.